Good morning, Orchard STEM School. This is Mr. Hoydick, the art teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to draw cars, trucks, and other vehicles. I'm going to start up in the upper left corner, and there I think I'll put a sports car. The way I start sports cars is I make two circles for the wheels. Give it a little bit of space between them. And you can see I made two circles. Now I will connect them with a straight line. Almost looks like glasses. That's how we start our drawing. Now I'm going to extend this line to the front, and I need to add the details on the car. So, bumper, hood, windshield, roof, back window, trunk, bumper, finished. There's the outline of one car. Now I'm going to add more details and finish it up. So I need to make these circles better. There we go. I need to make a wheel well or space around each tire. I need to make headlights. I need to make a side window, a back window, a line for the door, a line for the door, a door handle. I can make a bumper. I can make a back bumper, tail light, turn signal, and I can make someone inside driving the car. Now on the wheels, I want to make the rim. I can shade in the tire. And there we go. One car is done. Now I'd like to make a delivery truck next. And to do that, I'll make a line across. That's going to be one of the road lines. So for the delivery truck, actually I'll make another one here. And that could be the other road line. So right about here, maybe going in a different direction, I'm going to make two circles, make them a little bit more spaced out, a little wider. Connect them. Now, do the line in front, and we do bumper, hood, front window, cab, up, straight up for the storage area, all the way back, make a nice straight line, there we go, drop down, and back bumper, wheel well, front bumper, headlight, window for the cab, separate the cargo bay, cargo area from the cab, door handle. Sometimes there are steps here to help the truck drivers get up, back bumper, and sometimes there's a little gate or step right here. Let's make the tires better. Make the rims and shade in the tires. And there we go. There's number 2. And here we'll go ahead with number 3. And you know what? This one, I'm going to actually make more of a sports car. And we'll make it right about here in the middle. So I'm going to make the back tire a little bit bigger than the front tire. See, there's the two hot tires. And I'll draw a line between them. And I'll draw a little bit longer front line. So let's see. Bumper, and then hood, and then windshield, roof, back window, trunk, bumper. There we go. And on this car, I'm going to put a spoiler. Spoiler alert. There's a nice spoiler on the back. And on the front, you know what? Let's move this tire. Oops. Move this tire up just a little bit. Yeah, that's where I want it. And let's make the wheel well. And we'll make one window, a big side window. And there's a door handle. We'll make recessed headlights that pop up when the car drives. We'll make rims. And we'll go ahead and color in the tires. All right, so here are 3 different vehicles that you can try today. Next time I'll introduce some different ones and we'll make our picture of any cars we want in the city. Try your best. Enjoy. Thanks. Have a great day.